I'm Rasul Zakar, and this is an educational channel, Music Cabinet. In the video series, All 7 Types of Chords, I'll tell you about all types of chords and their tensions. This is concentrated and comprehensive information about all 7 types of existing chords. After watching this specific video, you'll be able to play the third type or group of chords, dominant chords, in 5 positions and with all the tensions. Because at the end of this video, for practicing the material covered, a backing track will play for 7 minutes and you will see these chords on the screen. All 7 types, groups of chords with tensions. Third type, D7, 7-9, 13, 7 flat 5. We separate all the chords by the 7 types or groups. First, major chords. 7 minor chords. Third, dominant chords. Fourth, altered dominant chords. Fifth, half diminished chords. Sixth, diminished chords. 7 suspended chords. The dominant chords are built from 5th degree of the major mode, from the dominant. This group also includes altered dominant 7th chords, but we'll look at them separately in the next chapter. The group of dominant 7th chord is conditionally divided into 2 types. For ease of analysis of the dominant chords, it is better to divide them into 2 groups, non-altered and altered 7th chords. Non-altered. Dominant 7th chord opens the first group of dominant chords, and in this example it is represented in 5 fingers on the fingerboard. We will go through the system from simple to complex. D7 chord. The column top down is the D7 chord. Let's play together with you 5 positions or boxes of this chord. First box. Now it's your turn to play it. Now let's play the second box. Your turn. The third one. Your turn. Let's play the fourth box. Your turn. And the last 5th box of the D7 chord. Your turn. Next example shows the D7-9 chord. Usually the number 7 in the notation of this chord is not put. It is assumed by default, so it is recorded as D9. D9 chord. The column top down is the chord D9, 5 positions on the fretboard. Let's play together with you 5 positions or boxes of this chord. First box. Now it's your turn to play it. Now let's play the second box. Your turn. The third one. Your turn. Let's play the fourth box. Your turn. And the last 5th box. Your turn. By adding the 13th degree to this D7th chord, we get the D13 chord. which is shown in this example in 5 fingerings. D13 chord. The column top down is the chord D13 in 5 positions on the fretboard. Let's play together with you 5 positions or boxes of this chord. First box. Now it's your turn to play it. Now let's play the second box. Your turn. The third box. Your turn. Let's play the fourth box. Your turn. And the last, fifth box of the D13 chord. Your turn. The D7 chord completes the first group of dominant 7 chords with the addition of a sharpened 11th degree. It is a flattened 5th one. Consider the chord D7 flat 5 in the 5 positions on the fretboard diagram. D7 flat 5 chord. The column top down is the chord D7 flat 5 in 5 positions on the fretboard. Let's play together with you 5 positions or boxes of this chord. First box. Now it's your turn. Now let's play the second box. Your turn. The third one. Your turn. Let's play the fourth box. Your turn. And the last, fifth box. Your turn. So we have acquainted ourselves with the D dominant 7th chord with all its tensions. And now, in order for you to learn it thoroughly, a 7-minute backing track will play with all 4 columns of chords on the screen. Subscribe to our channel. You can find these and thousands of other systematized lessons on our platform for professional music education, musiccabinet.com, by following the link in the description. Have a good practice. And also, in the video number 8, you can learn the most important thing about chords, the main principle of improvisation. You can play over all 7 types of chords with just one scale. So watch the video number 8 and see what scale is that. Write in the comments if you know the scale that can go through all 7 types of chords. Thank you for your attention to quality music education.